Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Bayelsa State Governor Senator Diri has expressed his gratitude to God for seeing the state through the troubles of the last 4 years under his watch, including the COVID-19 pandemic and the 2022 floods that left thousands in the state desolate. Governor Diri made this known last Sunday at the Bayelsa State Ecumenical Center, AKUGHA, Bayelsa State, during the state's Thanksgiving service organized as part of activities leading to his second-term swearing-in ceremony scheduled for February 14, 2024.
Events marking the second-term swearing-in of Governor Diri and his deputy, Lawrence Erujakpo, scheduled for Wednesday 14 February 2024, kicked off on Sunday with a well-attended state Thanksgiving service marked by worship and praise to Almighty God. Attendees praised the initiative of the governor to host a Thanksgiving that large, noting that it portrays how grateful he and the entire state are for the success of his prosperity government.
In the next 3 days, he will be sworn in for a second term. But if not for God, how about those who died while in office? How about those who lost their elections? He won. He is alive to start another 4 years in the next 3 days.
Governor Diri has recognized God, and God is on his side. The only miracle governor who are supporting him and who are celebrating as Bayelsans.
For his part, Governor Diri appreciated God for his victory in the November election, saying his first-term administration as governor wouldn't have been successful without the help of God, seeing how God delivered the state from the hands of those who used it for evil.
Is to say, God, thank you. Thank you for the elections. Thank you for the past 4 years. Thank you for COVID-19 that you delivered us from. Thank you for the 2022 flood that you saw us through. Thank you for bringing us to a successful end of our first tenure. Thank you for the next tenure, because it is done already.
Founder and president of Royal House of Grace International Church, Apostle Zili Agri, in his sermon stressed that the Thanksgiving was not only for the governor but for the entire state to celebrate God's mercies. He further charged the governor to leave an indelible mark on the people as he steered the affairs of the state for another 4 years.
There are many things you have done in 4 years, but we are thanking God in anticipation for the things you are about to do. Do the things that will make every Bayelsan will keep talking about you. After 208 Sundays, when you finish, people will know a man passed through this land.
The governor was joined by the former First Lady of Nigeria, Dame Patience Jonathan, members of the National Assembly from the state, and 2 former deputy governors who expressed their confidence in the administration to continue to deliver quality governance in the state.
Inside the Niger Delta,